welcome to Sumaya English Primary School, Class 6, and the subject is English. And the poem is 4.5, and the name of the poem is If I Can Stop One Heart From Breaking. So here we will see this poem, If I Can Stop One Heart From Breaking. This poem is written by an American poet, Emily Dickinson. This poem consists of 7 lines. Let us start the beautiful poem here. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. Now, here the poet is saying, if she is able to stop one person from expressing this kind of pain, then her life will not be lived in vain. The word in vain means without any success. So here the poet says that if she can stop one heart from breaking, she will feel that her life has been worth. So while. So this was the 2 line. Now we will go to the next. If I can ease one life the aching or cool one pain. Now I can ease one life the aching means if I can reduce the sorrow in someone's life, or cool one pain means same thing, reducing the someone's pain and give relief to someone. So here the poet is saying that if I can reduce the sorrow in one person's life, then my life will be meaningful. And if I can reduce one person's pain, then my life will not be useless. It's a very short poem here. Now we will see the next line. Or help one fainting robin unto his nest again. Now again here the poet saying the word fainting means unconscious, and robin means you can see the picture, the red color bird, and unto means to or help one fainting robin to his nest again. Here the poet is want to help a person who is in a need. Here the bird is comparing with the human beings. So robin is compared with the human beings. Poet wants to heal a person who is in a need or help one weak robin back to its nest. She will feel that her life has been successful. Now the last line, I shall not live in vain. This line is repeated, which we have seen in the first 2 lines. So this line is again repeated here. She does not want to live her life in vain. She wants her life to have some meaning. So student, here the poem concerned that we have to able to help the at least one person to be happier. So this was the poem. I hope so you have understood. Thank you.